Hello everyone, we are Team Need GPU and today for KJC Hack 7.0, we'll be presenting our project Savant, which is an all-in-one research assistant. So the research we have chosen today revolves around the concept of research. As we all know, research is a very diverse field which unlocks the unknowns and fuels a deeper understanding. Reports suggest that 94% undergraduate students find research extremely tedious and challenging. Reports also state that 90% of ideas often fail not because of lack of execution, but because of lack of research. Hence, research is a very vital component while starting a project. Nowadays, most researchers find the process of reading, finding papers, generating citations, creating a summary extremely daunting and time consuming. Hence, we would like to present Savant. So, what is Savant? It is a comprehensive virtual research assistant which aims to help students and researchers to streamline and organize their research for efficient results and increased productivity. Some of the features which Savant offers is collaboration through workspaces, finding relevant papers as per keywords, getting summary, performing annotations on their PDF for future, and generating citations in three different formats from papers found through our platform and even from papers which are on users' local machine. Along with this, we also offer a text editor where you can write papers and save drafts for future use with continuous plagiarism, grammar, and paraphrase checking. This is the UI flow diagram which the user will essentially experience on Savant. First, they need to log in or sign up, and then they are faced with two choices. Either they can create a workspace or join it using a code, or they can choose not to make a workspace and directly avail the facilities of Savant. When a workspace is created or joined using a code, three options are given to the user: finding papers, uploading papers, and writing papers. In writing papers, a text editor is shown in which there is continuous checking for grammar, paraphrasing, and plagiarism, along with a chatbot to ask certain questions which can help the writer perform better. In find and upload options, we have a summarizing, annotating, and generating citations option. So these are some of the UI which we have created during the hackathon. This is the our landing page, and on clicking login, this is the login form which the user encounters. And if they have not logged in, they can always sign up. And after logging on signing in, this is the landing page, where as you can see, there is a don't need a workspace sidebar where there is also join and create workspace section. These are the different trial workspaces which we have created for demonstration purposes. On entering a workspace, we can see some details like admin name and workspace code, followed by three options of write, find, and upload papers. And as we can see in the right paper section, these are the different demo drafts we have already created. We've also used a lot of APIs in our project, and Postman has been extremely beneficial while testing. So in this part, we have made a Flask API, which to get the research papers using Cohere API. We have used in this site as API to generate citations in formats like APA, Harvard, MLA, Chicago, and more. So as we can see in your JSON format, we are getting the data. And moving on, this is the TLDR, this API, which is basically summarizing a text. So this is the text from a research paper, and this is a summary which the API has generated. We have also wanted to make this product immediately and readily available to researchers and academics. So we have deployed it on Repl. The tech stack which we used was essentially Monstack with Material UI used for designing, JWT for authentication, and APIs which we used are Quill.js, TLDR this, Archive, PDF-tron, Sapling, and much more. Some future prospects about this project, which we couldn't add due to the limited timing of hackathon, are adding reminder notifications to increase user productivity and motivate them to continue researching, recommend papers as per safe papers, understand the reference timeline with help of a 3D model, which will be done using d3.js, sentiment analysis on users' writing to make them understand the formality of their tone and make the website easy to access for people having disabilities by adding dyslexia fonts, adding a change in font size, adding desaturation options, word spacing, line height, and even dyslexia ruler for reading. Thank you. That was all for our presentation today.